Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to the Wheeler Detailers YouTube channel. In this video we'll talk about some car cleaning chemicals that are very well suited to wash and clean your car during autumn and winter. Let's go! So leaves are falling from the trees, it's getting rainy, it's getting colder outside, and every day we get customers in the shop. What do you advise me to wash my car with in the colder and wetter months of the year? To answer this question correctly, there are more aspects that play a role. For example, how often would you like to wash your car? Is it weekly, 2 weekly, monthly? As well as how much dirt does your car pick up in the time between washing? So that means where do you drive? If it's autobahn or if it's country road, is it asphalt or is it dirt track or is it sand? When we have your answers, then we can always give you an advice what products will fit to your washing needs in the wetter and colder months of the year. A very important topic where not many people talk about is the pH value of the product. The pH value of the formula says something about the basis of the formula itself. So the scale starts at 0 and ends on 14. From 0 to 6, it's acidic based. What kind of products can you find there? Floor cleaners for your garage, insect cleaners for example, water spot removers. These are all in the scale from 0 to 6. Then on the scale we find pH 7, which is also called pH neutral. And here we find often mild washing shampoos, mild cleaning products. For example, this Decon Mint shampoo, which is a pH 7 shampoo, and with that very mild and with that very suited to wash your car on a weekly or even more than that basis. We go back to the pH scale from 8 to 14, and here we find a lot of alkaline cleaners. For example, undercarriage cleaners or pre-wash cleaners. Why is this information interesting for you in this time of the year? This is because the pH value tells you something about the basis of the product. Often when a car is more than averagely dirty, an alkaline cleaner as a wash or as a pre-wash will emulsify the dirt and contamination on your car faster and easier. That means you have to wash less to get a better result. On the other hand, strong acid-based and or alkaline cleaners, they will also partly take off your protection which is on your car. That may be a carnauba wax, a polymer sealant or a ceramic coating which is on your car. It will not go away after one wash, but if you do this cycle for let's say 3 months, 4 months, you will see the first indications, maybe beading effect, will be getting less and less on a ceramic coating, and you expected this beading effect on your car to be there for a long time. Often we find the key to this in the washing behavior on how you wash and treat your vehicle. Let's check how the pH develops right out of the bottle and when diluted. Here we have the Bilt Hamber Touchless, pure right out of the bottle. And the same here we go with the Decon Splash and Wash Mint shampoo. Open these strips. They're still yellow, so they're unused. And then we leave them there for 30 to 60 seconds and see how they discolor. Let's check the Bilt Hamber Touchless. So there's a scale on the packaging. So 0 to 3 is kind of yellow. Then we go to 7, kind of yellowish oranges. And now it's slowly to go into the red section. And I think it comes closest to the pH of 13 here. So I'll lay this one here up front. And here we have the Decon Mint Splash and Wash. So in here we can see that it's still completely yellow like it came out of the strip. So it's also completely neutral. So this is the theory, but how would this look like in practice on the rear end of my daily driver, which is super dirty as you can see. So here I've got 2 bottles for my foam lens. I'm gonna first fill up half with warm water. Let's add 20 ml of Bilt Hamber shampoo. Let's fill this one for the rest up with slowly running tap water to make it up to 1 liter. Here we're gonna add 100 ml because we need to do it 1 to 10. So that means completely full till there. So let's twist on the bottle with the mint, so the pH 7 version. Spray this on 1/2. And let's do the other one with the alkaline pH 13-14 Bilt Hamber Touchless. How much dirt do I see when I compared wiping? pH 7 as a pre-wash and pH 13-14 as a pre-wash. Let's do the same there. So pH 7 pre-washing on the side, right side, and pH 13-14 Bilt Hamber Touchless on the left side. So here we come to the end of the video. Conclusion: cleaning detergents with a stronger, in this case alkaline pH value, in this case we used the Bilt Hamber Touchless, work much better when your car is heavily contaminated. We did the same with the vegan mint shampoo, which is pH 7, so still yellow, it's not discolored. It cleaned for a part, but not that thoroughly as we could have seen on the lower panels on the sides of the car. But for a thorough wash in autumn and winter, then this is definitely a very nice product to have in your arsenal. I hope this information really helps you to find the right products with the right pH value for your car with your washing treatments in the wetter and colder months of the year. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you guys and girls in the next one. Bye bye. In this video, I'm working with the snowfoam lens. If you'd like to know more about snowfoam lenses, how to set them up properly with or without a short trigger spray gun, then you might want to click on the pop-up banner and watch that video too.